Oh, I'm shit. I'm nothing. I'm a failure. I'm shit. Oh, there's so much shit around here. Exactly this. The concept of loving a work does not exist in our families. It just doesn't exist. Whose parents have ever told, don't pick up the next job that comes your way? Create something of your own that you will love. And I can tell you why Facebook doesn't come from India, why Google doesn't come from India, why GE doesn't come, why Coca-Cola doesn't come from India. Instill that desire in your child to create the next Facebook. Instill the desire to take risks. आप पुरुष ही नहीं महापुरुष है. What did he say? You can bring in totally novel perspectives. What do you think this guy would have needed? तुम अभी हंस रहे हो, हमारे बच्चे हम पे हंसेंगे. अच्छा तू कान में लगा के सुनता था मोबाइल? ठंडा मतलब कोका कोला. What is the strongest instinct in any human being in the world? So, हर रोज कोई इधर से वाटर ले जाता है, कोई इधर से. Next 29 minutes, I'm sure I killed it. And say hi. Louder. Start discussing with your neighbor. What are the problems that people say I have right now? That's why I can't achieve my goals. 1 minute. Over to you guys. There are 3 theories of motivation and 7 examples of leadership. I didn't plan any of this. You take your first step. I didn't know, I didn't believe even 10 people would come to listen to me. I have delivered a talk to 9,000 people. इनसे पता नहीं क्या किया इंडिया को वालों ने. सारे मोटे लोगों को साथ में बिठाएंगे आज से. वो मुझे बोलता है यार संदीप मुझे इतना दुख होता है रोज जाके मैं धूल साफ करता हूँ.
Don't want you to stop talking like really. And second thing, I don't know, I'm feeling so overwhelmed right now. I don't know, I'll cry or something. I don't know. I seriously am feeling so overwhelmed. I can't put it to words.
Ready for life. वायग्रा का ऐड हो गया तो. धंधा कितना हुआ? For the first time, a woman was not scared to express her sexuality to the world. तू पैर फुला के बैठी हो, तुझे कुछ ना करना. When she came to me, she said, Sandeep, I've been working for 15 years. I said, you look 15. You've been working for 15 years. And all of that. And in my case, it's always been the other way around. When I was 15, people thought I was 35. So. हमारे खानदान में ऐसा कभी नहीं होता कि लड़की देख के शादी करते. हम तो बाप देख के शादी करते हैं लड़की. After 5 minutes, she was like. Because you didn't have protection. What? मैं तो दिखाने के लिए गाड़ी खरीद रहा हूँ. The biggest challenge anybody faces when starting out on any business idea. और इस पागल ने अपना घर जला लिया. तो मुझे पानी देना पड़ेगा कि तू पहले अपने आप बुझा नहीं तो मेरा भी घर जलेगा. Even if you run a marathon, your family members may still think you're lazy. That is what I'm saying. There's no delete button. This is a disruptive book. This guy says people who will win in tomorrow's world will not be left brain people at all. Because left brain work is copyable, commoditizable, transportable to Asia, etc. etc. Managing coalition of 13 parties cannot be taught even at a Harvard Business School. Only for intellectuals. Oh, ये तो सबसे ज़्यादा लुधियाना में बिकता है by the way. I love you, baby. No, because deep inside, that is what we are. We need the right stimulus, the right provocation, and the animal is ready to come out any time. Anytime. I am here, and you are there. I am the ultimate maverick, hippie, genius, rebel. You can adore me from a distance, You may love me, you may hate me, but in this lifetime never compete with me. You will fail.
The government and the Pakistani, so
The best business is the one that is an extension of your personality. Not everyone would want to win. Please raise your hand first. Yeah, I have some financial crisis. Right? Oh, you're from Delhi. Eh? I also have a very strong belief, if you spend enough time with me, I can change your life. I have a very strong belief.